Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming HyperOS is updated and you have access to personalization settings. This prevents hidden incompatibilities. Once done, back up your current lock screen profile so you can revert quickly if needed. Now open Settings, navigate to Personalization, then Lock Screen and tap the Only Way option to begin configuration. This immediate step loads the custom engine, so the following detailed adjustments become available. You will now configure the Only Way options. Pick your primary unlock method, PIN, biometrics, or pattern, because it determines fallback behavior. Then adjust timeout and animation speed to balance security versus convenience. Faster animations feel snappier, but may expose unlock feedback. Next, assign quick actions and trusted devices so paired hardware can bypass strict checks. Make sure to add an emergency contact shortcut for safety. Doing these steps reduces accidental lockouts while keeping strong protections. Finish by saving changes and performing a complete lock then unlock cycle so you can observe behavior in real conditions. Make sure fallback options work. Enter PIN after failed biometrics, and confirm trusted devices bypass as expected. If something goes wrong, restore your backup or reset Only Way settings. This clears misconfigurations. If problems persist, remove and re-add trusted devices. That single troubleshooting tip, restore the backup first, usually fixes most issues without deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.